Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today we're going to be jumping back into my cartoon series, The Friend Fish. So if you like drawing fish, this series and this lesson is actually going to be a real good one for you. So if you have a pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Oh, wait. I forgot which friend fish we're going to be using. Her name is Harmony. That's right. All right, so let's begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson. And of course, what can you learn from this one? Well, enjoy whatever cartoons you currently are working on. Challenge yourself, do more sketching and practicing, and just explore different types of areas that you may not have touched, like different types of creatures, different types of clothing, different types of people, textures, patterns. Just indulge yourself with all these different types of techniques, and you'll become a better artist. More you practice and more you research, the more and more you'll become enjoyable to you, such as myself. Over 40 years, and I still am learning. Not a day goes by that I didn't learn something new. That's the truth. All right, thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.